You mentioned AI, so I have to ask you. I mean, we've seen the OpenAI project, ChatGPT, really get a lot of people's attention. It's got my attention as well. And a lot of people are embracing it and already seeing that it can do some pretty incredible things. How do you see AI affecting the world in the next, say, even 24 months?
So I remember attending a conference in Silicon Valley where this question was asked. I was with a group of innovators, and we went on a tour of the different companies that were developing AI. Now, this was in 2017, and there was an open discussion on this. Peter Diamandis was leading this group. And one of the things, as we spoke about where the world was going, was that we are going to come to a world where people will only have to work 10 to 20 hours a week, or not at all. Universal basic income, Elon Musk said, universal basic income is not an if, it's a when. It's going to happen. Bill Gates said, if robots are going to take our jobs, tax the robots. What we're going to see happen, I believe, is we're going to move towards a world where we're only going to have to work 20 hours a week or not at all. We're already seeing in experiments with the 4-hour work week that unanimously through these experiments, when companies cut working hours from 40 to 32 and give Fridays off, productivity goes up. It's incredible, but it's happening. We're going to go beyond the 40-hour work week to maybe 2 to 3 day work weeks because AI is going to make work so effortless. I use AI now for coming up with advertisement titles. I was just interviewing a creative director, and I put this prompt in ChatGPT. Suggest to me 8 questions that I can ask a person with a background in film production who's interviewing for a role of creative director in a health and wellness platform-based company. And I got 8 amazing questions. AI is so powerful. It's going to reduce the amount of time we work, but it's also going to create this huge positive effect in the world. Now, many people think that if we work less, human beings are going to get lazy. No, not at all. I believe in human nature. I believe if we work less, we're going to have more time for creativity, for deep connection, for spending with our kids, for exploring nature. All of us have gifts that we want to give to the world. And many of us will give these gifts without any expectation of money. You know, I'm seeing this happen even among the Mindvalley community. People are helping other people grow. People are mentoring other people at no cost. I organize these dinner parties. I don't charge anyone for it. It's my gift to the world. And I believe what we're going to see is more and more people doing acts of charity, acts of contribution, taking care of the elderly, taking care of nature because of this increase in free time. And I think it's going to be really good for the world.
That's interesting. On the opposite point, you know what it takes to create something like Mindvalley. And I'm sure in those first 5 years, you were working every waking hour of every day.
I was.
And so will that still be required to create something in the future?
Things are going to get faster and faster and faster. When I started Mindvalley, I had to code my own checkout. There was no Stripe. I had to build my own web pages using Microsoft Front Page. Do you guys remember that? There were no drag and drop web page builders. I had to build everything myself. I had to code my own PayPal API. Right now, it's a copy and paste thing, right? So things are going to get faster and faster. If you're a creative person, it's going to be easier and easier to build a business and make money. What's going to be the competitive advantage is your mindset. And this is really why I'm building Mindvalley. I want to help be the best possible platform for giving people the right mindset to survive in this new world.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.